Imagine your brain as a super smart control center, but when stress stays long, it actually changes your brain. It can shrink important parts that help with memory and smart decisions. That's not just a feeling, it's real science. Studies show that long-term stress causes tiny changes in brain cells. Dendrites, the branches that connect neurons, shrink. And there are fewer connections in the hippocampus, your memory center, and the prefrontal cortex, your decision-making area. This can make memory weaker and emotions harder to manage. The good news? Simple breath and body practices can help shift your nervous system from stressed fight-or-flight mode to calm rest and digest mode. They can protect your brain structure and even keep it feeling years younger. No pills needed. Let's explore how. Your nervous system, the control center. Your nervous system is like the control center for your whole body. It has two main parts that work like a gas pedal and a brake. The sympathetic system is the gas pedal. It gets you ready for action when there's danger or stress. Heart beats faster, breathing quickens. The parasympathetic system is the brake. It helps you rest, digest food, and recover. It calms everything down. The star player here is the vagus nerve. It's the main highway for the calming parasympathetic system. When your vagus nerve is strong, called high vagal tone, your heart rate variability, HRV, goes up. HRV measures how much your heart rate naturally changes beat to beat. Higher HRV means better stress resilience and overall health. Science shows that slow, controlled breathing reliably increases HRV by activating the vagus nerve. Meta-analyses confirm this boosts markers like RMSSD and high-frequency power. Better autonomic balance like this is linked to slower brain aging and feeling more resilient every day. How chronic stress literally ages your brain. Here's what happens when stress becomes chronic, meaning it stays for weeks, months, or longer. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol over time can damage neurons in the hippocampus. It reduces new neuron growth called neurogenesis and shrinks the overall volume of this memory area. In the prefrontal cortex, dendrites retract. The branches pull back so there are fewer connections for good decision-making and emotional control. Research by scientists like Bruce McEwen and reviews up to 2025 show these changes clearly in both animal and human studies. People with long-term high cortisol often show measurable brain changes and memory difficulties over the years. It's like your brain is being remodeled in a way that makes daily life feel harder. Brain fog, forgetfulness, mood swings. But the brain has plasticity. It can change for the better too, especially with the right daily habits. Breathwork, the fastest science-backed way to regulate your nervous system. Your breath is one of the fastest ways to talk directly to your nervous system because it's the only automatic body function you can control voluntarily. Technique number 1. Physiological sighing or cyclic sighing. It's the most effective one. How to do it? Take a deep inhale through your nose, then a quick second top-up inhale to fill your lungs completely, then let out a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Repeat for about 5 minutes. A Stanford randomized trial, Bandar et al., Cell Reports Medicine 2023, tested this. People who did just 5 minutes of cyclic sighing a day felt better mood improvements and lower physiological arousal, like slower breathing at rest, than those doing mindfulness meditation or other breath techniques. It's simple, fast, and powerful. Technique 2. Slow-paced or resonance breathing, around 6 breaths per minute. Breathe in for about 4 to 5 seconds, out for 4 to 6 seconds. Nice and even, slow rhythm. This rate often maximizes heart rate variability and vagal tone. Multiple meta-analyses and studies show it increases parasympathetic activity, lowers anxiety, and reduces how strongly your body reacts to stress. Technique number 3, box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. It's used by many people in high-pressure jobs. Recent studies, including N-of-1 trials with physicians, show it can help lower daily stress levels for many individuals. Watch the animation. As the stick figure breathes slowly, the HRV line climbs. Your body really does calm down fast. Somatic practices, listening to your body for resilience. Interoception means noticing the signals inside your body, like tightness, warmth, heartbeat, or breathing feel. Better interoception helps you regulate emotions and bounce back faster from stress. Simple, evidence-based ways include a gentle body scan. Lie or sit quietly and slowly notice sensations from your toes up to your head without judging them. Studies on mindfulness-based practices show this improves awareness of body signals, supports better vagal tone, and can reduce anxiety. Elements from approaches like somatic experiencing, supported by RCTs and reviews such as Brome et al. 2017 and Kufis et al. 2021, involve noticing sensations safely and in small doses. This helps the nervous system release stuck stress patterns and return to calm more quickly. The result is you build stress resilience. Your body learns to recover faster after a tough moment instead of staying stressed for hours. Daily 5-minute routine that actually works. Here's a super simple, science-backed stack you can do every day in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes of cyclic sighing or slow resonance breathing at about 6 breaths per minute. 1-minute body scan, notice sensations starting at your feet, moving up through legs, torso, shoulders, and head. Just observe gently. Even short daily practice like this has shown measurable reductions in stress and better mood within a few weeks, according to the Stanford trial and other real-world tests. Over time, regularly calming your nervous system helps protect the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, supporting healthier brain aging and sharper thinking. Start small. Consistency beats perfection. Conclusion. To recap, chronic stress can physically change your brain and make it age faster. But breathwork and gentle somatic awareness give you a direct, pill-free way to calm your nervous system, boost resilience, and help protect brain structure, all backed by randomized trials, meta-analyses, and peer-reviewed studies. You don't need hours or fancy equipment. Just 5 minutes a day can make a real difference. Your brain can feel younger today than it did yesterday. Try this 5-minute routine for the next 30 days and notice how your energy, focus, or calm changes. Tell me in the comments, what did you feel after a week or two? Did sighing or the body scan help the most? If you enjoyed this evidence-based explainer with fun animations, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more in the Health Revolution series. Next up, the gut-brain axis, how the tiny microbes in your belly talk to your nervous system. Thanks for watching. Take a deep breath, and I'll see you in the next video.